Hey friends, if you wish to install free HEVC codecs on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, if you search for store and go to the Microsoft Store, okay, let it load, and then search for HEVC codecs and hit enter. You will find them, and you will find the ones which are compatible with Microsoft, but they have a price. They are not free of cost. I prefer to install them. See, these are from Microsoft Corporation. I prefer to install them because these will be very compatible with my system and will work long term. But if you really want to use it for free, then here's my suggestion. Simply download and install VLC. Okay, search for VLC and hit enter, and then find the VLC media player and then install it. Click on install to install it, because VLC can run any codec, okay, almost any codec, and definitely the HEVC one. So if you want to use it for free, then you can use VLC. If you want to stick to Windows Media Player, then you can pay for the codecs. I do not appreciate any other option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.